It's cracking, y'all. Back with another video. Let's get that cold start going. I'm basically going to show you guys how the point of view driving is with Tomei test pipes, Tomei Y Pipe, and the Tomei single exit. I had someone ask me in the comments the other day if they could hear how the car sounds throughout the RPMs and how loud it is, and you know, just all the little stuff. But yeah, this video should be pretty cool. I'm not sure if anyone on YouTube has a full Tomei system that they did a video on, so I do want to share this with you guys and, you know, just let you guys know how it is before I get rid of my single exit. Let's get up out of here. And if you hear some loud noises, that's my welded diff. What a downshift. Pretty impressed with my downshifting skills today. That shit was on point. Look at this dude. Another Q50. I was just watching Fresh Kick's video and I started cracking up when he said there's so many. Look at him, dog. This is a red light, bruh. Come on. Look at him. He gonna run it? The loudest area for the Tomei has to be near 3K RPMs. Shit's just ridiculous. This dude almost ran that light. What's going on with you, bro? You're acting up. Come on, there should be a run right there. Oh, Mustang going after him. Oh. Got the SI. I'm telling you, dog. San Jose is just a different type of breed. So overall, I gotta say the Tomei exhaust is super obnoxious. If you're trying to be like quiet, don't even think about going this route. I know that's a no-brainer, but you know, you're still gonna have those people asking if it's stupid loud. You got a full titanium setup going, it's gonna be ridiculous, especially on a VQ. That shit is just, I mean, y'all hear it for yourselves. Shit does not play any games. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm about to go make a little store run real quick. And we're back on the road. I can get some good pops for y'all. guys could hear how freaking loud the downshifts are. In cabin does no justice. If you're outside, it's so crazy. This is fourth gear at 3,000. You guys can tell the drone honestly isn't that bad, but if you get on it, shit just goes bananas. So I'm not gonna go onto the freeway. I'm just do some 6th gear driving on Capitol right here. See how 2500 is at 3rd gear. Not bad at all. Want to make some room, that way I could get into a higher gear and show you guys how it is going kind of like freeway speeds. Probably not going to find space right here, to be honest, but this is 3rd gear. Usually what I'm cruising in when I'm going like 40-ish. I love downshifting with this exhaust. It's just so crazy. The thing about downshifting like that is a cop anywhere. Oh, there he is. What the hell? How did I not see this dude? Yeah, let's see what happens right now. That was a loud ass downshift. And I know for a fact this dude heard me. Remember, my car has no front bumper on either. It just has a bash bar. My rear bumper is cut in half, just showing off the Tomei. Let's see how this shit goes. See, even with a cop, I can't drive quiet. Like, it's impossible. Okay, he didn't look at me or anything. I think we're in the clear. So yeah, I would swing this turn right here, but your boy don't have that many bars yet. Still need to get some seat time in. Didn't see that. I don't know what happened with my 3rd gear right there. I think I got a little too anxious. But yeah, I need to practice on swinging U-turns and shit, so you know, your boy could full send that shit. Damn, dog. Right here, I'm gonna probably try to get into 6th. That way I can show you guys how it is. This is 5th gear at 3,000. ass STI across the street over there. And another one right behind it. I think that's a flyby. But yeah, dog, that's the Tomei for you right there. This is like normal, everyday type of driving for me. And honestly, if it's gonna be your daily and you're gonna be driving with a Tomei or a full Tomei setup, I don't know if that's the best like situation to be in, especially because it's like loud as hell 24/7. You guys see me taking off at the light. It's literally, you're gonna catch every eye on the road. Damn, I hope you guys can see this STI because that shit is so clean. Vortex wing, sitting on TEs. I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'll probably maybe get more videos in the future out before I get rid of this thing. I know for sure I need to get some exterior shots because in cockpit is just a whole different vibe compared to how it is on the outside. So stay tuned for outside videos to come. I'm gonna be doing flybys and, you know, all that good stuff. Let you guys hear this thing out to the fullest, and it's pretty much all I got for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope those of y'all who are looking for a full Tomei system kind of got an idea of how it's gonna sound like. Again, I have Tomei test pipes on my car, Tomei Y Pipe, and the single exit Tomei. So full shebang right there. I don't have headers on this thing, but still sounds like a beast. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys have a great day, and thumbs up this video. And if you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 2K, and that's just unbelievable. I appreciate every single one of you guys, especially on my last video, man. You guys literally, the thumbs up, you guys killed it, showing tons of love, and honestly, it just means so much to me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.